Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're off to a nice day out in Wales, so it's going to be a really nice day today. So yeah, we're just going to have fun today, and yeah guys, I will catch you guys later. Bye. Look how lovely this is, guys. You can see all the nice Ferris wheels. Wow, look at this. Wow. How lovely is this, guys? Yeah, guys, it is super nice here. I don't think I've been here actually. So I've been to Wales, which is different parts of the area, but I've never been to this area. As you can see here. lots of fun rides on the boat. So that was really fun. Like, it's been a while since I've been on a boat. I feel like I'm floating right now since I got off the boat, but that was really fun. We didn't get managed to see the seals, but oh well, the ride was really good. So now we're just gonna walk around the town. Very busy today. Got nice little souvenirs here going on. Oh, what is it? Ooh, look at all these. How lovely are these houses, guys? Like, look at the colours, really nice pastel colours. I'm absolutely obsessed. Got beach sand, the clothing, really nice. So yeah, guys, we are just going to have some food now. So I really enjoyed the boat ride. I had a nice look around, but some really nice shops here. I could be all day looking at the shops. So nice. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Ready and go. Whee! Got a speedboat there. Yeah, good job. He's really enjoying it, guys. It's such a beautiful day here in the beach. What's wrong with it? Really beautiful here, guys. I can just stay here all day. I really hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye guys.